Today, I'm going to show you how to bass boost your audio in DaVinci Resolve. Start by selecting your audio clip in the timeline. Now go to the Inspector panel in the top right. Scroll down and enable the equalizer. Once it's enabled, you'll see multiple frequency bands. Click on Band 1 to activate it. This band controls the low frequencies, which is where bass lives. Now look at the frequency value. By default, it might be set higher, so lower it to around 20 to 100 Hz. This range is where bass is strongest. Next, increase the gain for this band slightly. This will boost the bass in your audio. You can also adjust band 2 and set it around 200 to 250 Hz for a fuller sound. Play your audio and fine-tune both bands until it sounds right. Be careful not to overdo it or your audio can become distorted. And that's how you add a clean bass boost in DaVinci Resolve. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.